Hi guys, we are here with episode 2. We're not going to be drawing today as I said in the last video, but I'm actually going to be doing a walkthrough about this app. It's called Sketches School. This is what the app looks like. It's blue with it's white with a marker. I have different folders. I have a real people folder, a cartoon people folder, a sketches folder, Halloween and fall folder, and a winter and Christmas folder. So basically, you tap the little folder thing to make a new page, and then you tap the page to draw in it. You can also edit the name in the customize folder button. So there's a little settings sign right next to the folder. You can tap it, and whatever you want to choose, everything. There's different folder types, there's colors you can choose from, there's also drawings you can choose from. Whoops, let me fix that. I actually don't have any drawings in this folder yet, so I don't have any drawings to choose from. I just have drawings from there to choose from. But if I go into this one, I actually have drawings to choose from because I've actually drawn in here. I chose theirs because I don't want to use my drawings. This one has color on it. You don't have to necessarily tap this to change the name. You can always go out of the folder and just tap it. There is a new folder button. Basically, I'm not gonna use this one. I'm actually gonna delete it. All you have to do is press the delete button. The recycle page right here is when you trash a page. That's when you go here, and it says the trash folder is currently empty right now. This is the little settings button. I back up all my drawings to my drive. It always saves. Let me go to the other folder over here. This is the Sketches Tools folder. It just shows you what you can do with it. This is the pencil example, pen, felt pen, paint pen, pastel, acrylic paint, watercolor, airbrush, shapes, paint roller. You can draw a shape and it fills it automatically. Fill tool, tap to fill a closed area. Smudge, blur the lines of your strokes. And cutter, cut, copy, and paste parts of your drawings. Ruler helps you draw straight lines. And import photos. That's what import or take photos to draw over. I usually import photos, as you know from my last episode. That's basically what this is. And then there's the last one. It says available in Sketches Pro. It's like the second Sketches School app, so it's Sketches School Pro. It costs money to get, that's why I don't have it. You can get it in the App Store. These are the new features. You can always go to the App Store and get the new one. This video is actually sponsored by Sketches School. Drawing on multiple layers. Simplify your task. Extra tools, new brushes, markers, pencils. Each tool gets multiple new variations, unlimited colors. Modify and create as many colors as you wish. Wet watercolor, colors flow and blend together, creating stunning effects. Color eyedropper, sample existing colors. Brush editor, modify size and opacity of your brushes. Straight and curved rulers to help you draw geometric figures or smooth curves. Gradients and patterns helps you easily add texture and depth to your drawing. Color mix, easily blend two colors and select the perfect shape. Community, share your drawings and find inspiration with the Sketches community. So that's what's available in Sketches Pro. I'm actually going to be making a folder. I'm going to be showing you how to do everything in here. This button right here is the different sizes. Here's that size. Hold on, let me fix this real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the big size. This is the small. This is the medium size. Whoops. And this is the smallest size. So that's where you change the sizes. Right here is the 3 dots button. There's a settings button. There's a help button. There is this button. I'm not really, it just like do like the same thing. It will do it over on the other side. So like to draw a face, you go like this. Not very good at this, if you guys can tell. I don't draw faces a lot. So whatever you erase on this side, it erases on the other side. We're gonna turn that off. You can import stuff from your camera roll. You can send it somewhere, and you can record. That's what I usually do. I record what I draw. This eraser thing is currently on the smallest. See. So that's the smallest, medium, big. I like this small one. So this is pencil. This is pen. This is marker. Felt pen, that's the one I use. Pastel. Acrylic paint. Watercolor, airbrush. There's different sizes for everything. So this is the airbrush. The more you go on, the darker it gets in the middle. This one is the fill tool. You can pick from different colors, and then you tap the background. It becomes that color, or you can make a heart. It'll fill the heart in. Or you can make a circle, fill the circle in. Eraser, yeah, eraser. Smudge tool. I like to make clouds with this one. So like I would go like this to make a cloud, but I would have to outline the cloud first because it wouldn't look like a real cloud. But can I smudge? Oh, I can. I've never tried that before, surprisingly. And then the copy and paste button. Make a circle, tap it, move it, whatever you want to do. Ruler. You use the ruler, you get out this, draw on it, straight, okay. So I'm pretty sure I've showed you everything. There's actually back arrows like this, and do everything I already did. This will just take a second. There's an undo and there's a redo button. Let me just make a clean canvas. You go to color, there's different colors they have. You can actually make new colors by holding the color and modifying it. Let's go with a red. We will modify this red to be light, and this now will be light color. I'm just gonna change that back real quick. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually done for now, but oh, hold on. I forgot to show you one more thing. You can go like that. You can send it. You can trash it. You can move it to a different folder, and you can press that button. That's actually everything. I showed you everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.